Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the TikTok Audience Insights tool properly. A lot of people don't know how to use the Insights tool, and it actually gives you a lot of information on what type of audiences to actually show your ads to that's actually going to get you results. But a lot of people don't know how to use it. So I'm going to spend time in this video showing you how to use it so you can use it for your own business when you're running your TikTok ads, so you can get the most out of your TikTok ads and get those results coming in for your business. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you another tool called the Audience Insights tool that's going to give you more in-depth understanding on the type of interest you should be targeting for your TikTok ads so you can make better decisions when it comes to targeting. So all you got to do is super straightforward. All you got to do is go to campaign right here at the top. This is the TikTok ads manager right here. All you got to do is go to campaign. You're in the campaign, and then we go across, and then you're going to see audience insights right here. This tool is a great way of really understanding your audience. There's so many business owners, so many marketers that just guess the audience. They just guess. And it's like, why are we guessing? Marketing isn't gambling. Putting money behind marketing is not gambling. So you have to be strategic with the type of people that see your ads. That's why we have awesome tools like this. So there's the audience insights tab right here. Just want to make sure that just so you guys can see it. There's a dashboard. There's a campaign. There's tools. There's analytics. So it's underneath the analytics tab right here. Okay, literally underneath the analytics tab right here. Then you want to go to audience insights. Now, this is the audience insights. You're going to see a bunch of graphs, a bunch of pie charts and all that stuff. So how it works, right, is that you filter out the audience. So you basically put in the audience that you're thinking of targeting before you actually put the money behind it to start targeting them. A lot of people will start targeting audiences that don't even work or have nothing to do with their service or product. This enables you to actually see what you're pretty much going to get before you actually start targeting that audience. So here we go. This is the filter your audience. We've got demographics, the age. Okay, cool. Let's choose our age. We'll choose female, and then let's choose some of these interests. So we'll do e-commerce. Then we'll do another one for video interactions, lifestyles. Guys, by the way, video interactions is basically the type of videos that your audience consumes, essentially. Okay. And then creator interactions, comedy. So again, it's the same thing. Okay. So video interactions and creator interactions are pretty much the same thing. One is video based, one is more creator based. And then we've got hashtag interactions. So you can basically put in your hashtags and all that. Now, the thing about this is this. You also get an option to put in your custom audience. The audience that you've created, you can put in here so you can analyze to see if it's an audience worth targeting. Yeah. Now here, I've obviously put in my filters in here. And as you can see, all I've got to do is click apply. Once I've clicked apply, as you can see right here, it tells me e-commerce. All right. What are the type of people that are in here by percentage, age-wise, percentage? All right, cool. The country. Okay, cool. Then the most important thing is engagement, because obviously we know about the audience in the audience overview because we literally chose it in here, right? But what matters is the engagement, because these are the people that will be seeing your ads. So what matters to you is how they're going to engage. Are they going to like? Are they going to comment? Are they going to click? Are they going to go to your website? That's what matters. So you go to engagement right here. And as you can see, the people that you basically put in here, it tells you how they behave. It shows you how many times they open the app in a day, how addicted they are to TikTok, how many minutes they spend in a day. These guys spend over an hour on the app. Their engagement is high with this audience. Again, the video engagement, how many videos? 250. Look at these numbers. These numbers are so insane. They're crazy. So if these numbers are low, then that means that's not the audience you want to target because they're not going to really engage with the ad. That's why there are so many people that'll run ads and there's no engagement, there's no likes, there's no views, there's no comments because the audience that they're targeting by and large doesn't really engage with videos in the first place. So why would they engage with your video? Especially if it's an ad. But as you can see here, we can see here that their engagement is high. This audience's engagement is high. And that's what you want to be doing for every type of audience that you're considering targeting with TikTok ads. We can go another level. We can click on interests. And here it's going to show you the interests that this particular audience are also interested in. So now that gives you more ideas of interest that you could be targeting. Another thing that's really great about this tool is that it enables you to see campaign reach. Look at this, guys, right? You can literally see the campaign reach. You can go by buying type, you can go by TikTok identity, and another thing as well, you can see the top states and provinces. So that's going to tell you the type of audiences that you should be targeting. Now, look, as you can see here, it shows the gender distribution, the age distribution. This will tell you, okay, if your campaign is even worth doing in the first place, just by following these numbers. So in order to have access to this, you literally want to go to analytics, then go to audience insights. Marketing is not gambling. It's not a guessing game. It's about understanding your audience. Yes, you're going to have assumptions about your audience, but it's about testing and seeing if those assumptions are true and true enough to bring you more customers, more results, and to make you more money. But we have amazing tools like this that basically provide that for us for free. For free. So guys, make sure that you use this tool. I use it all the time. Because when it comes to running my clients' ads, I don't just do stuff randomly. I'm very strategic with the way I do it. Okay. Having said that, if you need any help with your Facebook ads, your TikTok ads, click the link in the description. I do one-to-ones. I run clients ads for them. I do the lot. Just click the link in the description. Feel free to reach out to me to see if there's a way I can help you and your business. But as you know, I'll be back with another video to help you with your business and your marketing. Take care, guys.